G'day DIYers. This is how you screed a shower. You level right around the perimeter and then you set your fall to the waist, but you go to the centre. See the fall there? And I come down to that mark, to that, I come down to that on this side, it's my fall there. I come down to that mark here, I'm going to the centre of the waist all the time. See the fall there? Bloody beauty, boy. Piss that rock off. Years ago I used to go corner to corner, but that was for small tiles. You go corner, you screed corner to corner and use a big tile, you'll have a hollow spot. Then you've got to split it, and splits look bloody ugly. See the fall there? This is an easy shower to do because it's I'm using 6x6s. I mean 6x3 tiles, which is way easier than 6x6. But I still use the same principle. Take out some for my floor waste. Don't let any drop down, any mud drop down and you're laughing. Put that back. So then once I've done this, I'll lay out 4 tiles. I'll show you how I mark my waist. My son actually showed me how how to do this years ago. He's now 39. I had him as an apprentice. He's been a tiler for over 20 years now. And I always went corner to corner then, and he said to me, "Dad, why don't you do it this way?" And I have ever since, for the last 25 years. And he was an apprentice then when he showed me how to do this way. I always went corner to corner because that was the way I was taught. But the tiles were a lot smaller then, and you could. See the fall there? It's beautiful. Everywhere where you put your level, there's fall. See that? See that? See that, Chucky? Beautiful. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. I'll show you how I mark my tiles for my waste.